alert system capabilities. This test message has been initiated by National Alert and Warning Authorities in coordination with emergency alert system participants, including broadcast, cable, satellite, and wireline participants in your area. Had this been an actual emergency, the attention signal you just heard would have been followed by emergency information, news, or instructions. This is only a test.
Yes, you'll be hearing that on August 11th, 2021, approximately about 2:20 Eastern Standard Time. This will be a federal emergency test to television, radios, select cell phones nationwide. Prep and prepare, folks. 5G is possibly going to be activated. What do they have planned? This has been your news from ComputerChick Production News. Make sure you like, share, subscribe, hit that bell for notification. Thank you, and have a nice day.